Hey guys, this is Rudy. I just bought me a pair of high fidelity earplugs. Um, I love my drummers, but man, playing guitar in a band sometimes that snare drum by the end of the night, my ears are ringing. So I played actually at a large concert last year, and I got that inner ear ringing. It never fully went away, but I figure I better protect my ears because I really spend a lot of time, mixing in the studio, and I value my hearing. So I bought these on Amazon. It's called ETYMOTIC. I used to try like the regular earplugs, but they dampened the sound so much that I couldn't really hear the highs and the fidelity in the music. So I just got these today. I actually just came from a concert and really enjoyed it. So finally got these in the mail. I'm gonna open this up. Um, Everything is sealed, so I gotta cut it with some scissors. Give me a second. So everything is sealed, so you know nobody else has worn these before you. One second. Okay, finished cutting the top off the packet. They come in different sizes. I just bought standard, but you can actually get large fit. So they come with a case. Okay, I took the contents out of the case, so here's what they look like. So it's actually a hole through the center. So it allows the sound to come in, but then you have, I guess, the dampening piece of it. So that's cool. Yeah, normal earplugs don't have the hole, so it blocks all the sound coming in. And then it's really hard to hear, the fidelity in music. Everything's muffled and it's really hard to play that way. And if you don't know how to put in earplugs, I'm not going to demonstrate, but you're supposed to pull your ear up and then put the earplug in. Don't just twist them in, because then if you have stuff in your ear, they can get lodged in your ear. So always pull your ear up first and then put the earplug. Learned that in my days working in industrial plants. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these out, and I'll probably do an update. But yeah, I'm gonna give these a shot. They had pretty good reviews, and I will let you know in another video. I will let you know in another video. All right. Take care.